Imagine the thrill of skydiving, the adrenaline pumping as you prepare to leap from a plane thousands of feet above the ground. Now, imagine that thrill turning into a nightmare. This is the chilling tale of the Lake Erie skydiving disaster of 1967. In the heart of summer, July of 1967 to be exact, a group of 22 skydivers boarded a twin-engine Beechcraft at the Port Clinton Airport, Ohio. Their destination? A daring leap over the picturesque Lake Erie. The first sign of trouble came as the plane began its ascent. The engines, instead of humming smoothly, sputtered intermittently. But the skydivers, their minds set on the thrill of the jump, brushed off these warning signs. As the plane reached an altitude of 12,000 feet, the first group of jumpers prepared to leap. But before they could, the unthinkable happened. One of the plane's engines failed entirely. The aircraft, now unable to maintain altitude, began a rapid descent. Panic ensued as the skydivers scrambled to exit the rapidly falling plane. Some managed to leap clear of the aircraft, their parachutes blossoming like strange flowers against the clear blue sky, but for others it was too late. The plane crashed into the icy waters of Lake Erie, taking with it 7 skydivers still trapped inside. In a matter of minutes, what should have been a thrilling adventure had turned into a horrifying disaster. Rescue teams arrived at the crash site within an hour, but it was too late for the 7 who had perished in the crash. The survivors, though physically unharmed, were left to grapple with the traumatic event. The Lake Erie skydiving disaster of 1967 stands as a stark reminder of the risks inherent in extreme sports. Despite the meticulous planning and safety measures that go into each jump, the unpredictable can and does occur. To summarize the key points of this video, the Lake Erie skydiving disaster occurred in July of 1967, when a twin-engine Beechcraft carrying 22 skydivers experienced engine failure at 12,000 feet. Despite attempts to exit the falling plane, 7 skydivers were unable to escape and perished when the plane crashed into Lake Erie. This tragic event underscores the dangers of extreme sports, even when all safety precautions are taken. It serves as a stark reminder that thrill-seeking has its risks and that the unpredictable can and does happen. Stay tuned to Brahman TV for more gripping tales from history. Until next time, remember, safety first, because life is